Hey guys, it's Wanda from Crazy Days, and today we're going to talk a little bit about my GreenStalk planters. It's been a while since I've shown an update, and so they're having a good sale. Thought I'd tell you a little bit about what's going on with mine and talk about the sale. This is a leaf planter. It's one of the shorter planters that they have, and it's on a wheel base where I can roll it around and move it. And right now I've got it here because when it rains, this gets water because it's not under the roof here. And I can move it in if I need to. Now I only have 4 tiers with my flowers in it. And some of them are empty because I had put, I don't know, seems like I had put radishes or something in there and it's not coming out. So now I've got flowers that I planted in there that's finally coming out. But you can see, for the most part, the flowers are looking okay and doing well. They're blooming, healthy. But this is the short pocket tiers right here. And I only have 4 of them here. And they're on the roller base. This is the other 3. The leaf GreenStalk comes with 7 of these and they stack on top, but I took 3 of them off because we're fixing to replant. I have them all ready to replant, and GreenStalk sent me 2 new bases. One of them is the ultimate spinner base. Now guys, this thing's amazing. You see that one's on a roller. This one, I'm going to put all the rollers here. Alright, so we have all the wheels in place, and I'm going to redo these and pick them up and put them on here because I had those ready to plant and didn't know they were sending this base. When I get it on, I can also turn it around without moving it, but I can roll it or spin it, either way. So that's going to be awesome for that one. And I'm not sure what we're planting in that one yet, but it'll be a fall crop in the next couple of weeks. Now they also sent just a spinner base. Now if I want wheels, you can buy wheels, but this one is a spinner base that I can use with one of my other GreenStalks. Now this is the regular GreenStalk. You see the pockets are very deep on these. And I put my strawberries in here, and look, we even have some strawberries trying to turn. This one is just going kind of wild and doing its thing. I've harvested quite a few strawberries off of it. Now the top tier, I had put some potatoes in just to see how they'd do, and then I had some beans that didn't do, so I took them out. But the potatoes, you see this? They've went kind of crazy. Not sure. We're just trying the fingerlings again because I had such trouble with them when we got a lot of dry weather. Now this one I have to water all the time. That one over yonder with the flowers is out from under the shed, and it can be watered by rain, and we've been getting rain every day. But this one I have to water, and it's time to water it today. Now this is my other GreenStalk that I have in my mini greenhouse. We're going to be disassembling the greenhouse and stuff shortly and moving this GreenStalk, so I'm not replanting. Again, I had put some potatoes in this one just to see, and they've went a little strange on me. I've still got Malabar spinach here. The potatoes going around. I had some beans, and you see they didn't do very well. We've had so much rain that everything's looked weird. But look at the strawberries. I put strawberries around the top, and the top tier is doing amazing. I've even got a strawberry that maybe nothing's... Nope. This is what's happening to my strawberries. They come out at night and just eat the bottoms out of my strawberries, which is annoying. We also have thyme, and the thyme is doing amazing. Under here is some more Malabar, and you see it's going to seed. We have another strawberry down here. The strawberries seem to be doing great once you get them going in there. And I think they're doing better than anything. So I wanted strawberries. I'm thinking I'm going to turn a couple of these planters into just simply strawberry planters And then I'm going to put lettuce and stuff in some of the others. Now the sale they have going on is for the leaf planters, which are the little smaller ones. And you can get the 5 or the 7 tier. The spinner bases are their new ultimate spinner bases, so if you're interested in those, or you can get the regular spinner base, or you can get the swivel spinner base, which is this base right here. This one just turns on a swivel. I can just rotate it around and around is all I can do with it. So if you're looking for the leaf GreenStalk, check out the link in the description below. I've grown flowers just so I could see if I could grow flowers. I've grown vegetables in these. And now the strawberries seem to be doing better than anything with our wet weather. So guys, follow us along. Sometime in the future we're going to have all our green stalks back here on this patio. We're going to have some patio furniture coming up if I can ever decide what I want. And I'm going to put it back here. We're just going to have a nice setup on the back of the she shed here. And oh, we got to get rid of... Not only is the patio turned into Danny's workshop, but you know, the she shed, the canning kitchen, turned into a mechanic shop. So guys, if you're interested in the green stalks, check them out. Got some more things coming up later. We'll be replanting, seeing what works in it for the winter. Talk to you later from Crazy Days.